back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Ashimary hair. Big thank you to Ashimary for sponsoring today's look. So let's get into it. Today I have a glueless newborn hairline Invisi strap 360 lace wig. This isn't a kinky straight texture. This is pre-everything. It looks so natural. You see you have this removable comb in the back along with adjustable Invisi straps. You have an adjustable elastic band, and this comes pre-cut with ear tab lace tape already inside. So as you can see, I popped this baby on and it's melted immediately. Then I just removed the backing from the lace tape and pressed that down, and that was it for my install. This is completely glueless, no glue, no spray, no nothing. This is a glueless install. So I have this in 20 inches, 180 density. You can get this from 14 inches all the way up to 34, and it has a 3C newborn hairline as well as a normal pre-plucked hairline. So the 3C newborn hairline looks more like natural hair. It's shorter around the hairline and it's thinner around the hairline, so you don't have that super dense look. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like on, melted, no tweezing, no plucking, no glue, no nothing. And I like the density on this. It's natural, realistic, and you can put this up in a bun without it feeling too heavy or pulling on your edges. So after I'm finished showing you the parting, because I love the parting on this, although it's 360, as you can see, I can do a middle part, side part, deep side part, and then remember you have that lace all around the nape. So I will be throwing this into an updo style. So the first style that I want to try is some curls with a flat iron, because I always get questions on kinky straight and whether you can curl it. You can curl this one. It takes heat really well. I think I have my flat iron up to about 400 degrees. And as you can see, it took to the heat really well. I did not use any hairspray on this, but I'm sure the hairspray would help with longevity of the curls. But it was a super easy styling for this one. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to move into a few other styles, but I'm going to let you watch me curl this up, and then we'll pop back in to get into the other styles. How do you feel? Is it anything like I feel? Is it anything like I feel? I want you to stay with me. Baby, you might think it's untrue, but I've fallen for you. My mind is a mess, girl, don't know what to do. All of this pressure, feeling inside. Ain't this supposed to be painless? I was going for like a real carefree look because this is such a natural texture. I kind of wanted to go for like a roller set. So that's what I was going for. I didn't necessarily want to do a defined part. That's why I didn't use any hot comb or anything on the top. As you can see, I got some nice volume up there, and that hairline is looking so good. It's looking so realistic. And this is what the curls look like. I love it. I didn't cut any layers in this either. So if you want a more defined layered cut, you would have to trim a little. But remind you, this is 20 inches and I felt like it was perfect to style this way without having to chop it up. So the next style you know is coming is a split bang high ponytail, because why not? Plus, we already have the foundation with the two pieces in the front. So I'm going to show you that. And I love the way the nape looks for this one. It looks so good. Like, I don't know, something about the nape area. So you'll see that once we get into the updo and I turn around and show you that. So all the details and links will be down in the description box if you are interested. If I have a discount code, definitely check the links that will be there. For the 20-inch wig, you can get this for $164. That is a good deal. That's a steal. For $360, I think that is perfect. So here we're moving into the split bang high point. I was going to do a half up, half down because that's what it was looking like here. But then I decided to throw everything up so you can see the nape. So that's what we're going to do. And then the last style that I'll show you will be a variation of these two. But I'm going to also add this to my playlist for Ashimary hair. I have quite a few videos with them. I always love the finished look when it comes to their wigs. They make it so easy, especially with everything being ready to wear. So I'll pop back in as we get to the last style. So this is it. I was curling the ends of it because I took this from a ponytail to a bun, and I used a claw clip just so I could have the ends of the hair out where I started to curl it. But the styles with this are endless. At the very end, I do show you what this looks like in a ponytail with no split bang. I pulled everything back to show off that newborn hairline, which I am obsessed with. It looks so natural. So once again, all links will be down below. Be sure to check that out. I want to give Ashimary a big thank you for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out my playlist with some other wigs from them, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.